Hey guys, I got a quick DIY mod for everyone that has an e46 as well as some other BMWs that have this power steering reservoir like that. So as long as a lot of you probably know that the power steering reservoir on this car gets all sort of junk, which is all the power steering fluid. It's slopping around there and it is flying all over your engine bay. It's getting all over here, it's getting all over here. I tried to clean it. It even gets up here and all on the side here, and this whole thing gets dirty. I tried replacing this top piece, the cap, and it still was dirty. It's actually the power steering reservoir itself right there, the gasket. So what I ended up doing is I ended up getting a new one, and it's still happening. So I think there might be a flaw in the actual design. I want to get another one. The one I got was an aftermarket one. I do want to get an OEM one and see what happens to see if it does fix the problem. But this is just a cheap mod for some people that just want to cover it up and make it look fine and not have to deal with this. So first I'm gonna clean it up, and then I'm gonna show you actually it's just using a sock. You're gonna put a sock over and it's just gonna absorb it all, and every once in a while you have to replace the sock. I know it's kind of a cheap mod, but I see a lot of people on the forums doing it, and a lot of people seem to like it, especially when they track their cars. If they ever do some like spirited driving or just tracking your car, a lot of people say it's good to just throw over for that one time, because when you're taking some harsh turns it can really throw everything around. So I'm gonna throw you guys on the tripod and we're gonna clean this up and see what it looks like after. So to clean this up, I'm just gonna use some degreaser, some sort of cleaner, and just some old dirty rag that I don't care about because the whole thing's gonna get dirty. I just thought I'd mention now that it's a good time that you take off the cap. When you take off the cap and actually check your power steering reservoir level. Let me see if I can show you where mine is. Mine is right there, which is like right in between those two lines, which is right where it should be. So you can kind of see that on camera, that it's right in the middle. So it's a good level for it to be at. So now I took my sock and I kind of folded it inside like this, just some old sock that I took. And then what you're gonna do is you're gonna wanna take it and just squeeze it around the power steering fluid reservoir. I've seen some people actually put this thing on with a zip tie to just keep it on, but I think it should be fine. It's on pretty tight. It might be helpful if you have really large hands to take off the airbox right here, but I think I'll be fine without taking it off. And that is it. Now the sock is on. I mean, it's not perfect, and I play around with it a little more, but it will stop stuff from splashing. It'll all splash onto the sock, which will be much better than having it splash. It was splashing all over here, like all in here, all this was splashed. I mean, it still could be cleaned up a little better, but it's gonna stop the splashing, and it's a very quick and easy mod for anyone to do at home. It's a free mod that you can do on your BMW and just keep everything clean on your car for longer. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I have some other DIY videos in the making and planned for you guys to see, so stay tuned.